guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn levitation effects in After Effects. So let's get started. First we import the video, then we create a roto, for removing the background. After complete the roto, we click on Composition. Then we import the second video. And change the composition ratio, 1080 to 1920. Then we adjust the video layer. And duplicate this layer, and change into 3D layer. We change the position and X rotation value. Change mode into overlay. Then we click on first video layer and set a key of position up and down. We are doing the same process with the shadow layer. Then we go to the Effects and Presets, search Turbulent Displace and apply on the shadow layer, and we set a key on Evolution. Then we go to the Effect, and Color Correction and change some value. And it's done. We successfully create a levitation effects. Thank for watching. Please subscribe my channel for upcoming updates.